Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the 4-pack of the Lysol Disinfectant Wipes. Find out why it's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars and has over 97,000 ratings on Amazon. And also, over 30,000 of these have been purchased in the past month alone. So are you tired of battling germs and messes in your home? Lysol Disinfectant Wipes are here to make your life easier and your home, work, car, and other spaces healthier. This 4-pack of Lysol Disinfectant Wipes offers unbeatable value and convenience, ensuring you always have a wipe handy when you need it most. Lysol wipes are proven to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including cold and flu viruses. Protect your family from harmful germs with every swipe. These versatile wipes are perfect for cleaning and disinfecting various surfaces in your home. Use them on kitchen counters, bathroom fixtures, doorknobs, and more. With the 4-pack, you get a total of 320 wipes, almost enough for one for every day of the year. The convenient pop-top canister design allows for easy access and quick cleanups. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stock up on your favorite cleaning essential. Take control of your cleanliness and health. Choose Lysol Disinfectant Wipes because you deserve the best. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.